Try to make friends.
Want a Dorito?
Hey everyone! The new containing out Doritos!
Dorito?
Martial law warning for Rains Park. This is not a test. This message has been approved by the Merton Council. A Yandere has entered your area. In total, 14 people were killed by the Yandere in Rains Park. Due to this, martial law is going to activate it in Rains Park today. Board up all windows and doors. If you want more information, go to the Merton Council's website.
Doritos?
You make friends.
Yandere termination alert in Mitcham, Wimbledon, Morden, Collierswood and Rains Park. The Yandere has been killed. We are trying to contact the Wandsworth Council to send repair teams to repair the damage. Martial law will end after this alert. Normal programming may resume.
The unknown shitty-ass virus has been appeared worldwide recently. Several researchers have found that this virus makes your brain fucking dumb, ha 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 ha. So we introduce you the new medicine we have developed right now. This is the medicine for that virus. This makes your brain so smart that virus cannot affect your la. But this medicine has a side effect that can cause negative problems. You want to ask why you're selling these then? I don't fucking know. Anyways, if you're unlucky, this medicine will turn you into mutant and have a completely weirdo looking. They're called goofy-ah entities. If you want to be immune to virus, you must know how to deal with these goddamn creatures too. Step 1. Do not try to make top 10 anime fight scene with them. They're physically powerful creatures, so we recommend not getting close with them. Unless you want to be fucked up or unless you fall in love with weird creatures. Step 2. Call for the help. In this situation, calling for the police with 911 is the best option for you, I think. Let's just hope police doesn't get fucked up. Step 3. And that was all about these medicines and creatures.